In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the pixel grid in Figma, a crucial feature for anyone working with precise designs or wanting that extra layer of accuracy. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring you can activate this tool effortlessly and improve your design workflow. First things first, let's head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. Whether you're already a Figma veteran or just starting, accessing the platform is the first step. If you're not already logged in, you'll see the login option prominently displayed. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your workspace. For those who may be new to Figma, remember that it's a web-based app accessible directly from your browser, eliminating the need for local installations. Once you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the home page of Figma. This is where all your recent files and projects reside. This environment is designed to make navigating your design work easy and efficient. From here, choose the design file you want to work on or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Opening your design file brings you to the canvas where the magic happens. Now that you're within a design file, pay attention to the top toolbar. Here there's a main menu, usually represented by a small icon or text on the left side of the screen. Click on this main menu to access a variety of options that control different aspects of your design process. Figma's interface is intuitive, but taking the time to explore these menus is worth your while, as it offers numerous tools and settings that can enhance how you approach design tasks. From the main menu, you'll want to navigate to View. When you click on View, a drop-down menu appears. Within this menu is the pixel grid option, which is what we are here for. What the pixel grid does is allows you to see a grid overlay that can help you align elements perfectly based on pixel precision, ensuring your design stays crisp and orderly. This feature is especially useful for projects that demand exact alignment or for those who take a meticulous approach to design. Clicking on Pixel Grid will toggle this feature on or off, but since we're turning it on today, ensure the grid appears over your canvas, transforming it into a checkerboard of sorts. As you embrace this tool, notice how it subtly guides your design elements, snapping them neatly into place and providing that professional finish that makes your work stand out. And there you have it. Turning on the pixel grid in Figma is a straightforward process that enhances precision in your design projects. By integrating this feature into your routine, you're setting a strong foundation for clear, concise design work. Enjoy exploring how this small yet powerful tool can transform your workflow.